Well, hey there, I've got your astrological forecast and spiritual guidance for the upcoming week beginning today, Sunday, April the 12th. This week's video is entitled, You Gotta Cough Up That Hairball Now. Hi there, my name's Kat, coming to you from the Soul Sister channel. This is a muy importante week. This is an incredible week. We have a new moon in Aries at the end of the week on Friday. That is what I want to talk about. And for that new moon, I'm going to show you a little, I have to show you the chart, even though you don't know anything about astrology, you guys. We have a huge pileup of Aries energy at this new moon in Aries at the end of the week. So here's what I want to talk to us about. First of all, since 2018, Chiron has been in Aries. Chiron is a little asteroid, but the energy of Chiron is woundedness. And so it is our wounds. Ever since 2018, we have developed this feeling of victimhood, people out to get us, being unworthy, and we are feeling depleted and exhausted and afraid. We don't seem to have any control anymore. And our wounds and our traumas seem to be guiding our lives. Now, this whole energy is about to shift. Right before the new moon in Aries at the end of the week, though, we have another planetary connection with Chiron on the couple days before the new moon. And what this is going to do, we're gonna be coughing up some hairballs, you guys. I just want to warn us, this is a very intense emotional week. Aries, fire, passion. And right before this huge new moon on Friday, all our shit is going to come up. It's going to be coming up all week. So be ready. The purpose for all our woundedness and traumas to be coming up is so that we can transform them. We can heal them. We can release their control over us. We can see for what it is and let it go. Don't buy into the illusion that we are powerless, that we need to fear the other. It is time. It is time. You know, I've been pontificating upon it forever. We have to embrace and express our true authentic self and our work going forward. You guys, it's done. We cannot go back anymore. We're entering a whole new world, a whole new energy of Aquarius. As I said last week, we can't look to the past to help us move forward. And we are going to have the opportunity this week to let our shit go, to begin to heal so that we can participate in this most incredible transformation. Now let's get back to Aries. The lower energy of Aries is war. Yes, fighting. Aggression. We can see the lower energy of Aries playing out all around us, can we not? However, the higher energy level of Aries is courage, it's bravery, it's individuality, it's I am me. It's embracing and expressing who we truly are. It's taking a risk on ourselves. That is what we are working on. That is what this energy is all about. I'm going to tell you what the universe is giving us a big kick in the ass this week. So if we don't get off our butts, if we don't get working to become take the steps to really embrace and express our true selves, we ain't going to go nowhere. We're going to keep getting more exhausted. We're going to keep getting more depressed. We're going to keep stagnating. The back there yesterday doesn't exist anymore. And these lower energies of Aries are going to play themselves out. And when they play themselves out, the transformation is going to be incredible, incredible. So we want to participate in this. We want to be part of this. And it's time for us to fulfill our responsibility of incarnating on this earth at this time. It is a very important week in determining our future. Our future is now, you guys. So we got to suck it up. Pay attention. Don't run away from our hurts. Don't run away from our wounds. Embrace them, love them, and let them go. They have served their purpose. Let them go. And then when this the new moon comes on Friday, we will be ready because we are going to be Aries, fiery passion. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. So where are we going? Because that's the energy. We're ready. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Get out of my way. I am me. I'm going to embrace and express my true authentic self in my work. I don't care what. And that's how we feel with this new moon, if we're using the energy correctly. And if we're not, we're going to be cranky. We're going to be fighting with everyone. We're going to go after people. We're going to criticize and judge and put other people down. That is a red flag. We're not doing our work. So let's get our work done. This is just the beginning. We have a long way to go, but it is truly, truly incredible what lies ahead if we do our work, if we are responsible and accountable for being creators, for being children of God. We are creators. We are all powerful. We're creating our reality, whether consciously or not. And the Soul Sister channel is about, hey, let's do this consciously. Let's create the life we want. And Aries is here. We're going. Aries is lighting the firecracker under our asses, you guys. Let's go. So that is the week ahead. We have to let our shit go, guys. We can't take the shit with us. It's like our ball and chain. It will hold us back on this adventure moving forward. And we have to look at it like that. We have to move through our fear. I know the unknown is a fearful place, but we have to find our faith in who we are, our connection to our God, our source, and know that we are always protected. We are cherished beyond our belief, and we have all the support we can possibly imagine, and even more, to move us forward successfully into this new, brave, new world of Aquarius. And what's going to help us, as it always does, is hooking up with our higher self, at least daily, however we do it. We're going to take our 3 deep cleansing breaths right now. We'll say our Sun and Aries affirmation after that. Use these 2 tools to bring us back to center, to bring us back to peace and alignment, so we can hear our higher self communicating with us, telling us which way to go. So let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. we see all the darkness, negativity, toxicity. We see it all flowing out of our bodies. I like to visualize it as dark black squares. We see it flowing away out of the bottom of our feet. In its place, we see ourselves being filled with this beautiful white light, made up of white light, love, and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies with this beautiful light, it's also protecting us. It's deflecting all that evil, all that low vibration, all that negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we will say our Sun in Aries affirmation, and I'm getting ahead of myself, and I want to make sure that we take these words to heart and we believe this affirmation, because this is our power. This is where it lies. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. But I'm going to tell you what, we need to be connected with our higher selves at least 5 to 20 minutes a day. If you can use the breaths, you can use the affirmation, or you can take that 20-minute walk, garden, take a long hot bath, whatever it is that gets us back to center and connected with our soul, with our source. Now let's say the affirmation in Aries together. I am worthy. I am loved. I am an abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. Man, you guys, that's our power. Believe it. Hold it. It's our power. It's who we truly are. Don't let the outer world feed us its bullshit of unworthiness and victimhood anymore. We control our own reality. We just need to be responsible and accountable and conscious, and do it consciously. And that's what the Soul Sister channel is all about. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational oracle messages that help keep us balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher self during the day so we can hear. And I also like to post interesting, quirky memes that tend to make us think out of the box and sees a different perspective sometimes. And also, these memes can give us guidance and direction if we're feeling a little bit lost. I have found a lot of good information in there. So come see me every Sunday on the Soul Sister channel. My new videos come out at 10 a.m. working with the energy to consciously create the life we want. And don't forget the keynote of the Soul Sister channel. It is so importante. Life is lived, everyone, from the inside out. Inside. Not out there, not all that bullshit. Inside. And once we get that, man, nothing can stop us. Namaste.